Hi, today we are going to learn about deepfake technology and its basic implication for the Indian legal system. As you all know that deepfake technology, which is basically powered by artificial intelligence, it actually enables a person to create certain highly realistic, ultra realistic, yet entirely fake images, videos, audio recordings, and many more things. It can basically change somebody's face, it can change the voice. Now, it might have some legitimate and legal use in the entertainment industry or for the education purpose. But deepfake technology itself poses really serious legal and ethical threat, particularly in our country, India, where digital literacy rate is basically at some places is really low, and misinformation, false information, it can spread like wildfire, especially rapidly overnight. Anything can go viral. Now, some of the legal challenges that we are going to discuss, which are posed by the deepfake in India, would include the defamation and reputation damage of a person, company, or some entity. For example, deepfake can be used for tarnishing a person's reputation by making him say something which he never did or something which he never done. For example, in 2021, a deepfake video of a politician in Delhi which went viral, which was related to making communal remarks and threats to somebody. Now, it went viral overnight, and though it was later on proved that it was totally fake, which actually caused significant loss to his public image, significant loss to his reputation. Now, although we have certain criminal as well as legal remedies for this, but a person's reputation which basically has been tarnished cannot be taken back by just getting some monetary relief. Now, another threat would be the cyberbullying or morphing. Deepfake pornography is growing concern, especially for replacing women faces on the morphed or some explicit content. Another example would be in 2023, Bollywood actress's video went viral, which was created using deepfake technology. Her face was placed on somebody else's body. So, although we have Information Technology Act, the Bharatiya Nyaya Sanhita, especially the specific laws, earlier it used to be the Indian Penal Code, but now the law related to voyeurism, insulting the modesty of a woman, or some manipulation of the information technology, that digital assets, those can be punished, but Indian legal system actually works too slow. Third example would be political manipulation and misinformation. Now, deepfake technology can be weaponized to create fake political speeches, leading to some political interference. Another example would be in 2024, a deepfake video of a very prominent political leader allegedly making hate speeches went viral during election season. The Election Commission had to step in to clarify that the video was fake, but by the time the government takes some steps, or the Election Commission could take over and tell the people, but the damage was already done. Now, in the similar manner, deepfake technology can be used to spread enmity between two religious groups. Now, fake evidence and in the court proceedings can also be used with the help of the deepfake technologies. Deepfake can be used to fabricate evidence which might be used to mislead the courts and the law enforcement agencies. And this problem is because the Indian legal system works too slow. By the time something is sent to the forensic laboratory, the report comes, it would have taken like years and years. So it is again a burden on the accused as well as on the complainant. Now, deepfake can be used in India for committing certain financial frauds. Now, people might create some videos or audios which may be used to impersonate as CEOs, bank officials, or family members, which leads to financial fraud, especially the UPI ones. Somebody might call somebody that your son has been arrested, or somebody says that your son or the daughter has met with an accident. Now he is the police officer. They might try to use manipulated voice of your daughter or the son situation, and in that panic situation, they might ask you to transfer certain amount of funds. Now, though there are again legal remedies, but again it takes lots and lots of time. Now, question arises, what are the legal remedies and the measures which can be taken to fight the deepfake issues? First would be by strengthening the Information Technology Act and by making certain amendments in the IT Act 2000, especially related to the deepfake crimes. Now, strict AI regulations and policies to monitor the misuse of AI, that can be implemented by the government, but right now it is not there. Now, another one would be setting up certain AI related forensics and courts and law enforcement agencies and their departments. Although there is cyber cell, but they are not well equipped to deal with this kind of situation. By the end of the day, public awareness as well as the digital literacy, which is most important, and the campaigns to educate the citizens of this country related to identify the deepfake content, related to the fact checking initiatives, collaboration with social media platforms, and another kind of collaboration between the social media content creators. Stronger social media regulations are necessary. Mandatory watermarking and mentioning which is AI generated content and which is not. And there should be far more strict penalty for somebody who is going to violate these terms. Now, the misuse of deepfake videos, audios, or the images, it is not just against the certain person or certain group of people, but it might also be considered as a national security threat, because right now there are many forces which are trying to disrupt the harmony of this country. If you have any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. You can like, subscribe, follow, and share it with somebody else. This is under Creative Commons license. You can use it or reuse this video as much as you can.